Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Wednesday, midweek hump day. I'm going to be cooking a burger today on grilled sourdough, mainly because it just sounded good, thought I would share. So let's get cooking. Alright, I got my bacon going. Gonna season my meat. It's just a little bit of ground beef, got a little cumin in there. A little garlic in there. Oh. The lid unscrewed itself. A little garlic. Maybe a little extra garlic. A little bacon salt. Got my, trying to get to it. And just mix your meat, get the seasonings mixed in there. Alright, get that ready to go. Alrighty, so I'm using this Fran's sourdough bread from the base of my sandwich. I'm also going to be making, my lunch today is also going to be on bread, so I just got it all bagged up in advance. Alright, and what do I do with them? Bacon is done. Put that off the side. I'm going to turn the heat down. Pour off some of the extra grease, but not all of it. I'm going to take my ground beef patty. I want to get this as close as I can to the size of the bread, so I'm not really going to be doing a traditional patty. I'm just going to spread it out ish. I mean, if it's not perfect, now I can live with that. There we go. Turn on my pan, preheat my cast iron. Alright, I got my sourdough bread all buttered up. I'll share with you guys a little pro tip. Parmesan cheese. I just sprinkle it right on the butter. The cheese, when it browns up, it gets this like nice crusty toast. Nice cheesy crusty toast. It's quite delicious. Burger's cooking up nicely. If I could flip that. Yep, piece of cake. Alright, for cheese, because I have one slice of Swiss left, I'm going to be using that one slice, use it up. I've got some sharp cheddar. And then I've got some Colby pepper jack. So it's going to be, so it's like a 4-cheese bacon burger on grilled sourdough. Yeah. So I got the Parmesan cheese on there. I think the pan is probably pretty close to, I'm feeling some heat. I turned it down just a little bit because I don't want to burn it. Get that in the pan. It may not have been as hot yet, but it's alright. And my one slice of Swiss, I'll just stick it in the middle. Swiss cheese on one side. And trying to open these packages sometimes can be a real pain in the butt. There we go. And that pepper jack. Make sure you don't get the paper on there. Cool. And the burger patty looks like it needs to be flipped. Nice. So I put my bacon on there. Everything is just great with bacon. check the bread, make sure it's not getting too crisp. Looks good. Burger may almost be done. I thought it was going to shrink a little bit more. You can see it shrunk a bit. So. Alright. Get that guy on there. Sweet. Just kind of waiting for the bread now. Alright, I think we might be happy. Oh yeah, look at that. And I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let's try this. Want to see the Parmesan, how it crisped up? Hear that? It's all melted Parmesan cheese. Excellent. I think we might be done. Alright, kill the stove. Move the cast iron out of the way so it doesn't sit there and smoke. So, I hope you guys can hear that. Alright, and I'll just eat right off the cutting board. We'll do a cross section. Oh man. Let's see if you guys hear that crunch when I bite. Well, I think it's safe to say, clean cutting board. Didn't waste my time with the plate, as usual. Yeah, that was a really good sandwich. That was out of the park. I guess I'll clean up after the camera's off. Bad mark. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Have a good week.